If you've used Claude or ChatGPT, you've hit the same wall. The model is smart, but it's trapped in a text box. It can't read your files, hit your database, or touch the real world. In this video, I'll show you exactly how MCP, the Model Context Protocol, breaks that wall, how it works under the hood, and how to wire it up yourself. No fluff. Here's the core problem. A language model on its own is a brain with no hands. You ask it to check your calendar, and it can only guess or make something up. For years, every tool that wanted to give a model real abilities built its own custom, one-off integration. 50 tools meant 50 incompatible ways of doing the same thing. It was a mess. MCP fixes this with one simple idea, a universal standard for connecting AI models to tools and data. Think of it like USB-C. Before USB-C, every device had its own charger. Now one port fits everything. MCP is USB-C for AI, one protocol, and any model can talk to any tool that speaks it. There are three pieces. First, the host, that's the app you're using, like Claude Desktop. Second, the client, it lives inside the host and speaks the protocol. Third, the server, a small program that exposes a specific capability, like read my files or search the web. The model asks, the client relays, the server does the actual work and hands back the result, clean and standardized. An MCP server can offer three things: tools, actions the model can call, like sending an email; resources, data the model can read, like a document or a database row; and prompts, reusable templates. The magic is the model discovers these automatically. You connect a server and the model instantly knows what it can now do. This is the shift from chatbot to agent. A chatbot answers, an agent acts. It reads, decides, and does. MCP is the plumbing that makes that possible in a standard way, which is why Anthropic and now the wider ecosystem are building on it. Learn it once, and it works everywhere. Getting started is easier than you'd think. You add a server to your host's config file, restart, and the model can use it. To make this dead simple, I put together a free starter kit on GitHub, a ready-to-use MCP config, a system prompt that turns Claude into an actual operator, and a memory pattern so it remembers across sessions. Links in the description. If you found this useful, subscribe. I'm building a whole series on making AI actually do things. See you in the next one.